Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Google Ads to Google Sheets in Zapier. So first of all you have to do is open your zapier.com website on your web browser. Once the website has been opened, you have to sign in with your account. Once you're signed in, all you have to do is click on this Zap button. A new page will open. From here you will see two options, trigger and action. So in a trigger, we have to click on trigger. In the search bar, we have to type ad, and you'll see Google Ads right on the top. Click on Google Ads, and you can trigger two events. You can trigger the event for new campaign and a trigger for new lead form entry. So we will select new lead form entry, and then you have to connect your Google Ads account by clicking on the sign in button. Once you have connected your account, all you have to do is go to the sections tab, click on it and search for Google Sheets. You will see Google Sheets here. You have to click on it and you can choose any event according to your preference. For example, there are multiple options. For example, I will select update sheet spreadsheet row and I will connect my Google Sheets account. From here you can do anything according to your preference. You can type freeform text or pull data in from your trigger step as needed. And that's basically how you can connect your Google Ads to Google Sheets in Zapier. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.